me.reap, and I appreciate you for tuning in. So today, we have another special unboxing. This was one of the pre-orders I was waiting for from Sia Collective, and I'm waiting on one more pre-order, and then we'll be, back to normal, first come, first serve releases, unless there's something crazy that he puts up for pre-order, and I want a guaranteed pair, but 9 times out of 10, I'll do the first come, first serve. It's just easier, first come, first serve, and you don't have to worry about waiting for the shoe to get shipped and production and everything. But pre-orders, they definitely save lives, man. I know there's a few pairs that I couldn't get first come, first serve on, but the pre-orders, it allowed me to cop anyway, so. Pros and cons of pre-orders, it's mostly pros. The only con is you have to wait a while. Like 3 months, maybe 4, depending. But it's between 2 and 4 months. So if you're out there watching, you never heard of Sia Collective, if you want to do a pre-order, it's going to take some time. You just got to trust the process. But this video is not about that. This video is about the alternate NASAs. And I can't wait to see these. So you see, you get that Sia NASA box. I don't even know what that says. White NASA. Okay, so they're calling these the white NASA on the box. Then you have that window box where you can see through. And of course, I bought the extra laces. So you can get a close up on that. But I'll show you everything once I, give you that close up look and everything like that. So let's go ahead and open this joint. Which one I want to show you? Which one? I gotta show you the right one. Gotta show you the right shoe. So here we go, the alternate NASAs, man. You got that gray reflective upper. You got the black sock collar. The red removed before flight, and then you got that vulture on the back, as well as a milky outsole with that white midsole. Now, remember I was talking about the laces? The laces match the upper perfectly, right? But the cool thing about this shoe is that the laces and the upper change colors in the sunlight. So as you can see, the shoe went from gray to like this blue. And I want to say the better the sunlight, or the stronger the sun ray is, the darker the blue will become. And you see the laces change with the shoe as well, but then they change back when you come back in the house or you're in like shadow. It'll go back to the gray. And then you also have the 3M upper and the 3M on the laces. And then that milky outsole glows in the dark. So like the full sole glows. So yeah, this shoe is crazy. Definitely a big fan of these, as well as the OG NASAs. I'll link that up here. I want to say it's right there. But yeah, I'll link the my review and unboxing I did on that. But yeah, it's a crazy shoe, man. Then he has a lot more shoes coming out soon. I know if you were on his live last night, or if you just follow the page, he posts like a new sample every day. So 2020 is going to be a good year for Sia. Good year for shoes in general, though, because even Jordan Brand and Nike, they have a lot of bangers coming out this year. So thank you. Thank you, Sia. Thank you, Nike. Thank you, Jordan Brand. Because my channel will have so much content. I don't know what to do. I'm going to be overwhelmed with content. And that's a great problem to have, especially a YouTuber trying to, grow his channel. I'm going to have to pick and choose, like when to drop certain stuff. I don't know. I'll figure it out when we get there. But yeah. Sia Collective Culture Vulture and that alternate NASA, man. Shout out to Gizmo once again. And it's also good to see a lot of YouTubers Well, a lot of Sia videos starting to pop up on YouTube. I try to watch every one that I can and actually like interact with them. It's hard because you don't see them all the time. I'm gonna have to start like searching one day, just search certain colorways to see what pops up. But yeah, if you're watching this and you actually make Sia videos on YouTube as well, definitely comment down below so we can link up. Well, not link up, but like I can go to your channel and check you out. Vice versa. We're a community here. We gotta sit together. There's not a lot of us actually making Sia videos right now, so support goes a long way. You feel me? But yeah, it's been your boy g.i.t.d. It's been a Sia Collective Alternate NASA's. You got the Sia astronaut on the back, man. We out. Catch y'all on the next one.
When I walk in the club, got money in pockets. I see you with your guys and now you're excited.